HP ProBook motherboard. Problem is no power, unable to power. There is a 19-volt shorting, adapter 19-volt shorting, and for the for this purpose we connected our thermal camera for removing the shorting. See, and we just inject 2.5 volt and connect this onto the motherboard CLR. We remove the CLR and outside shorting, connect the wire in outside shorting. Now we on this system. See, there is something hitting nearby this coil. We have to check what is this component. See, in normal vision there is one capacitor, maybe it's capacitor or MOSFET. We have to check. Let's check the short component, which is the short component, and remove this component and remove the shorting and on the motherboard. Thank you.